everyone, I'm Leo. Welcome to my channel. Today my husband got to choose dinner and so we're having his favorite food, pizza. To start, these ingredients we'll be using today we purchased at our local grocery store. Check the store near you to see if they have these ingredients already prepared because it makes it so much easier and still very affordable. So when we're done here, the end cost of the pizza is around $10 for a very large pizza. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's get started by arranging our ingredients for the pizza. We will need pizza dough, preferably a few days old so it's well fermented. Pizza sauce. Today we'll be using a garlic ranch sauce, pepperonis, sausage, jalapeños, pineapple, low-fat part skim mozzarella cheese, 3 cheese mix, and a secret ingredient, cornmeal. With all our ingredients gathered, let's get cooking. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Now that the oven is preheating, we will assemble our ingredients together. You will need a large pan. We like using our Pyrex, but you can use any cooking pan. A cookie sheet, for example, would work very well. And cover the bottom of the pan with some oil. Spread the oil evenly in the bottom of your pan. Then you will need to even cover the bottom of the pan with a cornmeal. The cornmeal is the key to this recipe for creating that crunchy texture and preventing the dough from sticking to the pan. We will then start stretching the dough. I usually grab the edges like so and let the gravity do the work. Work your way around the dough until it looks like it has been stretched enough to wrap sides of your pan. Now place your dough inside the pan and start spreading it to the edges. You want the edges all the way up to the sides. This creates a little dough bathtub for all your toppings to reside. Now that you're done spreading the dough evenly amongst the pan, we will then add our sauce. You may use any sauce of your choice, but we found that this garlic white sauce is just too delicious not to use. Now spread the sauce over the whole pizza. Just use a large spoon or spatula, that will do the trick. With the sauce spread over the pizza, we will now start adding our cheese. We buy this cheese as kind of a block, so we will just cut chunks off of it and lay it down evenly. But pre-shredded cheese is of course an option. Now we're all cheesed up. Let's add our toppings. First, your meats of choice, ours being pepperoni and sausage. Then our veggies. Let's put some jalapeños and pineapple. Our toppings are done now. Let's add one more small layer of cheese to seal the deal. By now the oven should be heating to its baking temperature. Place the pan at the bottom of your rack, and now it's the worst part, waiting. This will take about 30 minutes, so set a timer and start watching your favorite show because this part will take a bit. After about 15 minutes, check on the pizza to make sure it's coming along well. The dough at this point should have doubled in size and the cheese should have melted a bit. Come back to it soon and it will be ready. 30 minutes have passed. Let's see what we got. The pizza is fully cooked with a delicious, thick and crispy crust. Let it sit for a little so you don't burn yourself, or go right ahead and start cutting. Just be careful, it will be crazy hot. Here you go, a delicious homemade Detroit style deep dish pizza. I know we cheated a bit buying the ingredients all from the store pre-packed, but let's be real, you're thinking about doing the same thing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate and subscribe.